In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key, following the full 2025 guide. If you've ever needed to connect your Calendly account with other applications, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need. First, you'll want to begin by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to Calendly's website. Calendly is a widely used appointment scheduling software that helps in organizing meetings seamlessly. Once you're on the main page, you'll look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to access your account. Now, after logging in successfully, you will be directed to your Calendly homepage. From here, you'll want to focus on navigating to the main dashboard. You'll see an option to click on a menu section labeled Calendly. Once you find that, go ahead and click on it to ensure that you're in the right place to access more features and settings. Next, direct your attention to finding Integrations and Apps, which is an essential part of extending Calendly's functionality with other applications. Clicking on this option unlocks a plethora of tools and integrations that can make your scheduling even more powerful. After the page loads, you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, type in the keyword API. This is crucial because we are specifically looking for the API key to access and connect Calendly with other services. Once you have performed the search, there should be a result that comes up labeled API and webhooks. This is exactly where you need to be. Click on it, and this is the section where we can find and manage our API information. Grab your API key here and keep it safe. It's your passport to connect and automate Calendly in innovative ways. Following these steps lets you harness the true potential of Calendly by integrating it with the apps that you regularly use. This could involve setting up automated workflows with your CRM, enhancing your email marketing efforts, or simply improving your personal productivity tools. Before we wrap up, a bit of advice. When you handle API keys, make sure to store them in a secure password manager or a place you trust to keep your information private. This will prevent unauthorized usage and keep your account and data secure. Thank you for following this guide on obtaining your Calendly API key. I hope you found this explanation clear and useful. Join us next time for more insightful guides. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.